Good evening. I can't even believe how late it is. Already 5:50. I'm just warming up some soup, so that is basically my dinner for this evening. I have to go run some errands. Sorry, I'm washing some dishes right now as I'm chatting with you guys, but I was supposed to film a video today. However, I realized how behind I was on certain things, I guess because of Vlogmas, and I just didn't stay on top of being organized and stuff. I mean, it was the holidays and everything, so I have to really just kind of tie up all of those loose ends. 110% caught up with everything. We're gonna return some items at Five Below. We're gonna run to Target. We're gonna get some like toiletry items. Anyway, let's go get our soup. For dinner tonight, I'm just gonna have some leftover soup. So this is essentially an egg, vegetable with some chicken soup that my husband made earlier. Really just kind of wanted to cleanse my body a bit and just kind of kick back a little bit off of the carbs, because let me tell you, I had a shit ton of carbs this holiday season. Get back to at least somewhat healthier eating habits. We're now at the Simi Valley Town Center. First, going to check out Fashion Q and see if they have any new clothing items, clothing pieces. You guys know that's like one of my favorite stores to check out because it's very affordable. Sometimes you can find hidden gems there, just depends, but you really have to look. And then we're gonna go to Ulta, Five Below, maybe Marshall's, and then maybe, no, definitely Target. Their Christmas tree is so nice, but I would say the really bad thing about this mall, it's an open mall. There's barely any people here, which is really, really sad. We are now at Five Below. So we're just gonna go check out what they have new. Hopefully they have something. And return the items that didn't work out from the past two testing Five Below gadgets video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'm gonna link both those videos right up here in the card area. Quick Daiso haul! Whew. What's up, you guys? I'm out of breath. I'm losing my voice. I just finished filming my 2018 obsessions, and prior to that I also filmed another video which is going to go up today, which is Friday. I wanted to make sure I got everything situated with my new filming setup, and it did take me quite some time to kind of figure out the lighting situation and the camera settings, how the camera should be angled and all that. So yeah, it's a big, I made a huge disaster. We have a bunch of like swatches going on, I think even on this hand. I'm gonna try to clean up now because in about 30 minutes, Mom wanted to watch a movie, recommending that she watch oh my gosh, look at that, my voice just cracked. I recommended that she watch Bird Box with Sandra Bullock because she really is a big fan of Sandra Bullock. She's just gotta get everything kind of situated, cleaned up, so the room is presentable. We just finished watching Bird Box. I already watched it before, but this is my mom's first time watching it. I think she was thinking it was more like a romance movie.
I thought it was a thriller.
What did you think?
I liked it.
No, she liked the movie. There were just some parts where I think my mom was a bit confused, like on what was going on, but you know, overall, you enjoyed the movie.
Yes.
My mom rarely even watches movies here at home. The only time she really watches movies is like when we go out to the theater. Comment below if you guys have watched Bird Box. What did you guys think of the movie? Personally, I liked it, Hubs liked it, Darren liked it.